my partner's friends is actually picking her up. We will come and get the vehicle tomorrow. We get our money with my SSI tomorrow.
Okay.
And I'm just wondering, would it be all right?
Well, you know the tow truck companies here right there, they're going to take it.
Is there any possible way I could I try to get it in one of these spots though?
Well, the thing is that this is not visiting spots. This is already taken for the resident. So either way, they'll be towed away if you put it in any other spots right here.
Oh God.
The visiting spot is all the way at the front by the gate.
Okay.
So how you? So you got both tires popped?
Yeah, they both. We don't know what we did, but the thing about it is.
How did you come in through here? Did you came through this way or to the other way?
Ask my partner. Cindy.
The other way.
You came through the other way?
Yeah,
Not through this way?
I don't think so.
All right, because the gate over there got spikes.
You think that's what did it?
That's what did it. If you came into the do not enter, the spikes got your front tires.
Oh.
So we got to get somebody to tow it.
So yeah, the tow company, where they come through here, they see it right here parked, they're just gonna tow it away.
Oh.
And I don't know how much is it to take it out from the pound, but yeah, they'll take it.
Okay, sir.
We'll just wait for my friend. She'll help us move it.
All right.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.